Explain your role and responsibility as a manual tester, and these questions answer is for manual tester who has a 3+ years in a manual testing. So in interview you should answer like, in my current role as a manual tester, I am mainly responsible for understanding requirement, preparing test scenario and ensuring end-to-end quality of the application. I start by analyzing the SRS or user stories and identifying testable requirement, and if there is any ambiguity, I discuss them with the BA or the developer. I also prepare RTM to make sure all requirements are covered in testing. I design detailed test cases covering functional, UI, regression, and negative scenario, and I prioritize important scenario based on the business impact. During execution, I document the result with scenario and update the test report regularly. At last, I log the defect in Jira with clear steps, screenshot, and severity priority. I also participate in defect trials meeting, and I retest the issue once fixes are provided. I work closely with developer, BA, and the product owner in agile ceremonies like daily stand-up, sprint planning, and the retrospecting. I also perform regression testing for every release and do impact analysis when new changes come in. Along with functional testing, I validate data in the database using SQL queries whenever needed, and I also test the APIs with Postman to verify the response status code and business logic. So these are the role and responsibility for manual tester. And if you want a short version for this answer, so you can see on the screen. And if you like this explanation, in my 5000 question package I explain every question in the same answer structure with a star method, without star method. I also include real example, real life example, and also I include how you should explain your questions answer in an interview in very detail. So for the PDF link, please see YouTube community post. Thank you.